So my name is Robert Parker and I am the Label King. Here at Label King we have multiple platforms, but we've been wanting to get a digital press for quite some time. What we did initially is we wanted to get samples from every single company. So we sent files to I think about 8 companies. All 8 of those companies sent back what they printed on their digital technology. We separated them. We wrote numbers on the back of them, each number representing a different company, and then we had a blind test, and we narrowed it down to top 3 based upon print quality. The next step was to take visits to all 3 of those companies. Domino was so relaxed about the whole thing. The other visits that we took, things were, well, maybe we can do this, maybe we can't. Domino had everything together. They said, yeah, just come on out, bring your files, and we'll take care of it. It was no problem for them. We were blown away by the simplicity of the press. It printed out what we wanted in the vibrant colors that we were looking for pretty much the first time. We bought the Domino press, and after buying the press, we got to see the Domino difference.